Guys, hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna tell you about the gem locker. You might have seen, like, whenever you have created a Ruby Cucumber project, and whenever you are running over Jenkins or some other machine, so yeah, some other person is using your project and running at his local machine, so he might have, like, the some gems will be missing. Your script will get failed, like, this gem is not available, and all. So that create a lot of problem. And every user, whoever is picking up your project, he has to make sure whatever gems file you are having at your local machine, he should have also have the same. So in order to avoid that problem, what we can do, as you have seen in Maven, Selenium Maven project, there's a pom XML file where we add all the dependencies. So that same way we can do the same thing in Ruby Cucumber also. So we are having one thing called gemlocker, where we can put out all the dependency, like all the dependent gem of our project. So whoever will, clone your project and all, he will be able to run the project code very smoothly without setting up any gems, and it will help us to avoid any gem dependency error and other things. So here are, it's quite easy. So just see, suppose my project is this sample and gem locker. What you have to do, you have to open your project, make sure you are under the root directory of your project. After that, you just have to write one command called bundle see. After running that command, we can see there are two files which has been created automatically under our project root directory. One is called gemfile, one other is called gem.log. So here, just see what it will do. It will, keep the track of your dependencies and everything. So in my case, here you have to open this file. Okay, and after that, here whatever gem file which is using by your project, you should add it here. So it's quite simple. Like in my case, I need all this gem. My project is dependent on all this gem. So what I'm gonna do, I'll keep all this gem in my this file. Yeah, that's it. After that, just commit this file, and now your this will be there in your project directory. So whoever will pick your file, clone your project, and will try to run his local machine, so this gem will get automatically installed. See, now if you can see, all the dependencies gem has been listed here. So how it works, like whenever you will, anybody will clone this project, when this project will start compiling, and also first it's gonna come under this file. It would have checked which are all gems is available on that particular user who is running your code. Suppose something is missing, it's gonna set up that gem onto his local machine, and that will give a smooth run to your project. Hope you find it easy and helpful. Thank you.